always start with the underscarf. It don't matter what type of scarf you use. You just need one that's long enough to be able to wrap into a bun. The bun would just give the turban like a full effect. I think the turbans look better when it's volume in the back instead of it just being flat. But that's my preference. You can do it any way you want. I then take my volumizing scrunchie and I put it over the bun that I just made. Just because this gives it like the back of the turban a round look, a more full round look. So these turbans are like long tubes, and the V-cut is pre-made, so you don't have to go through the troubles of that you will go through with a long piece of material trying to achieve the V-cut in the front. I then take the fabric that's remaining and I just wrap it around my head like so. And you wrap it until you have just a small piece of material left to hide. And with that little piece, I hide it in the fold that I just created from wrapping it, and I just roll. I tuck it and roll. Any remaining fabric, I just take it and I tuck it on the side. And you just keep rolling to achieve the look that you want. And that's it, an easy tutorial for wrapping turbans in less than 3 minutes. Please be sure to visit my website at www.zanejanice.com to find turbans in this style and more colors. Thank you.